Hello, hello. Hello. I'm just waiting for more views, stuff. Three. Hi, Bob. Siba. Top fans. Wow, crazy. How do I make a poll? At start. Okay. So, normal scripts run in serial. What I mean by serial is they run like this. This is serial. And you can see it's very long, like super long. Where's my serial? And with parallel luau, it's in desync, like it's like this, so it doesn't take as much time. It's in parallel basically because it's like this. Now let me show it here. Let me make a dumb script that returns just something stupid. That's good. And let me spam this. Oops. And to enable the micro profile, you do Control Shift F6, and you can see you have this graph right here with the frames. You can pause it by pressing Control P, and it shows you the threads and where code is usually run is in main render. This is serial, you can see it's very long. So once I press play, it's gonna spike a lot. Let's go here. And it should be somewhere here. The script. In main render. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot to put it in a while loop. What the fuck? Okay, here's the script. You can see it takes 80 milliseconds to run at first. This is like a lot. A game usually should run at 60 milliseconds per frame because that's 60 FPS. But since I'm doing something stupid here, it's a lot of math. It takes a lot of time and it spreads the frame to 80 milliseconds, and this causes lag. So to make this in parallel or in serial, you need to put the script inside the actor, and you take the script, you place it inside, and then here in the script, to initialize it, like it going into parallel, you do task that desynchronize, and to put it back into serial, you do task that synchronize. So this goes into parallel, this goes into serial. Actually, let me answer this. Parallel. Let me comment this out because I want to show. What even is what? Wait, I forgot to enable this shit. Control P. Okay. can see there's not a lot of lag anymore, and you can see the work is spread on the workers. Here's the heartbeat. Yeah, and somewhere should be this. That profile begin. Yeah, hold on. Let me unpause. Let me pause now. And it should be somewhere here, but I can't see it for some reason. Oh, it's here. Yeah. And you can see this script takes much less time, because the heartbeat is spread on two different workers, here and here, because it's not much of complex math. Yeah, heartbeat here. Here's the second worker. Here's the first one. The first one always works more. And if we go to the documentation, you have a video here showing that parallel is faster when doing math heavy stuff. Serial takes 60 milliseconds, parallel 17. And here it gives some examples: player characters, NPCs, raycasting validation, and procedural generation. It's bad to put multiple actors inside of actors. Yeah, here I talked about tasks that desynchronize and tasks that synchronize. And let me and instead of having to do tasks that desynchronize every time, when you're doing for a action, you can do connect parallel. It basically does this for you. Print in parallel task that synchronize. print in serial. Here's what I talked about: single threaded and multi-threaded. Oh yeah, and thread safety. Some stuff can't be edited in parallel, like instances. And other stuff. You can go like in the docs on something like let me go to a instance. It should say here somewhere not unsafe. Anyway, wait. Recast. Yeah, it says here write parallel. You can read and write to this property safely from desync or in parallel. So unsafe means it cannot be read or written in parallel. Read parallel can only be read. Local safe can be used within the same actor. Can be read but not written by other actors in parallel. Safe means it can be read and written. You can send messages to multiple actors with actor messaging. Let me show you an example. Actor, script, local actor. So what this does is it gets the actor of the script. If the script is the child of an actor, you have this returns the actor associated with the instance, if any. And actor2 is server script service dot. Actor. Actor2 send message hello, and in here local actor equals script get actor bind to message hello function print hi. So once it receives the message hello, you can do a callback function, and you can also do it in parallel. So let me run this. Run. See, it prints hi. And there are shared tables. I've never seen a use for a shared table, but you can create one by doing shared table.new. can clone the table, you can update it, you can set the size, you can clear it, you can set it to be frozen, which can be updated, you can increment values, you can clone it and then freeze it. Table. Here is how to use it. Represents a table like data structure that can share the cross-execution contexts. While it can be used for various sorts of general data storage, it is designed especially for use with parallel luau, where it can be used to share a state across scripts parented under different actor instances. Keys must either be a string or a non-negative integer number less than 2 to the power of 32, which is I think it's the 32-bit integer limit. I think. Yeah, so you can use it like this. Let me rename it to st because it's easier to type. st1 is equal to b. st x is equal to st negative 5 is equal to asserting, if you don't know what it is, basically if basically it returns true or false. If this is true, then returns true. If it is not, it returns false. And you can have a message to be printed if it is false. So assert st1 is equal to b. See, error message string st1 assert stx is equal to true. stx assert st negative 5 is equal to nil. Yeah, you can also do it like this. Hold on, let me do it like that. X and you can access it like a normal table by using right here. Set share table st, and in this actor you can get the share table registry and the share table. And then for key value in st, do print key value. Oops. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show. You can't add a negative integer to a shared table. What? Oh, and here as well. Bro, what the? Argument 1x. Oh, I need to give it a name. That's right. A1b x true y false. And that's about it. And there you go, that's parallel luau. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, I guess.